Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into how the TakeProfitTrader evaluation works, so you can understand the process, what rules to follow, and how to increase your chances of success. Whether you're new or experienced, this info is for you. Hey, quick heads up. I've got exclusive discounts and coupon codes from 30% to 90% waiting for you in the description, thanks to our partnership with major prop firms in the market. And if you want detailed, honest reviews on funded trading programs and prop firms, just head over to tradingfunder.com. All right, let's continue with the presentation. Overview of TPT evaluation. This evaluation is straightforward. You select an account size like $25,000 or $150,000 and aim to hit a profit target based on that size. There's no time limit, but you do pay a monthly fee. Once you pass, you move to a live account with real payouts. Profit targets and position limits. The targets are set depending on your account size. $1,500 for 25K, $3,000 for 50K, and so on. Max position sizes are capped, like 3 contracts for 25K and 15 for 150K. Micros count as 1/10 of a contract, so you can trade many micros. You can trade full size from day one. Trailing drawdown and loss management. Trailing drawdown is set at the end of each day, so your account can lose some but won't go below a certain point, like $2,000 for a 50K account. If your equity drops below that, you fail. Daily ups and downs don't affect this. Only closing equity does. Daily loss limit and rules. Previously, there was a daily loss cap, but now only the trailing drawdown limits your losses. This gives traders more room to recover during the day, making trading less restrictive and more flexible. Allowed instruments and platforms. You can trade all major futures on the main exchanges, with micros also allowed at 10 times per contract. No Forex or crypto is permitted. The platform support includes popular options like NinjaTrader and TradingView with free licenses included. Trading hours and closure rules. You need to close all your trades by 5 p.m. ET each day. No overnight trading is allowed, and positions opened after 6 p.m. count as the next day. On Fridays and holidays, closing is mandatory to avoid penalties. News trading and special rules. Trading around major news like FOMC or NFP is allowed, but in funded accounts you must be flat 1 minute before and after such events. Violating these rules results in losing the account, but during evaluation, news trades don't penalize you unless they trigger drawdowns. Limit up, limit down, and consistency rules. If your trades hit as exchange limits, your account fails. You need at least 5 trading days with at least 1 trade each. No single day can account for more than half of your overall profit, ensuring consistent performance over time. Other rules and restrictions. Automated or bot trading isn't permitted. Only manual and copy trading are allowed. The previous limit of 50 trades a day was removed, so you can trade as often as you'd like. You can have up to 5 funded pro accounts simultaneously. Evaluation fees and reset policies. Paying monthly fees grants access to the evaluation. If you fail, you need to buy again or wait for renewal. Resets are only for funded accounts up to 3 times, with fees based on your account size. Promotions and passing to pro account. TPT often offers discounts, and activation fees are waived during promos. Once you pass, you pay a small fee and move to the pro account, where rules like daily loss limits are gone. You can withdraw profits from day one with an 80-20 split. Conclusion and final tips. TakeProfitTrader's evaluation process is designed to be transparent and manageable, with specific profit targets and no scaling. Once funded, the drawdown rules change, requiring traders to adjust. Traders appreciate the speed of payouts and the simplicity of rules, making TPT a popular choice. For more details and latest discounts, visit tradingfunder.com.